The Creator created the evil inclination. He created for it the Torah as a spice. How will you benefit from having salt and pepper if you don't have the soup? In our case, we first need to prepare the soup. Without it, there's no need to ask for seasoning. We wouldn't even be able to ask for it. It's during the process of making the soup in the group that the need for seasoning arises, for the light to unite us. Only those who need Torah have discovered the evil inclination. The Creator created the evil inclination. He created for it the Torah as a spice.